Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today we're going to be looking at Cowrywise versus the rest, the 2025 honest review of it. We're going to be looking at Cowrywise versus Piggyverse versus Bamboo. So don't invest without watching. Let's get started. It is getting real. Everyone is trying to get your money. You've heard about Piggyverse, you've heard about Bamboo, you've heard about Riseverse, but where should you put your hard-earned money? Today we are doing an honest, no holds barred review. Cowrywise versus the rest. No hype, just the truth about which platform truly serves the Nigerian investor best. Let's break it down by what each platform does best because the best app isn't universal about your goals. Let's start with Piggyverse. Piggyverse remains king for strict savings and goal-oriented saving. You need to lock money away for a specific target, say a new car, rent, or a wedding. Their safe lock and target savings features are still fantastic. They excel at helping you build discipline by making it hard to touch your money. Next, we have Bamboo and Riseverse. These platforms are your go-to if your primary goal is pure US dollar stock exposure. You want to buy shares of Apple, Tesla, or invest directly in US real estate. These platforms allow you to do exactly that. They are brilliant for hedging against Naira devaluation and accessing global markets. But here is where Cowrywise shines, especially now, and often where the competition falls short for the average Nigerian investor. That is diversified, regulated, long-term wealth management. Cowrywise is built for the investor who wants a comprehensive SEC-regulated portfolio that includes not just savings but a mix of Naira stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and dollar funds, all in one place. And not just saving, you are building a diversified investment empire. Look at the comparison. You can see that Cowrywise offers automated diversification, allowing you to easily invest in high-yield money market funds, the Nigerian Stock Exchange, government bonds, and even dollar-denominated assets within the same app. This integrated approach is its key advantage. So, my verdict? Piggyverse is excellent for disciplined short to medium-term saving goals. Bamboo and Riseverse is a gateway to direct US stock market access, while Cowrywise is a champion for the serious Nigerian investor who wants diversified, SEC-regulated long-term wealth growth with a mix of local and dollar-denominated assets. It is the most comprehensive wealth management tool of the three. The best app is always the one that aligns with your financial goals. If Cowrywise sounds like your partner, download it today and let me know in the comments which platform you prefer and why. Do not forget to like and subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay smart, stay invested.